Hello friends, this week the question on Vastu is like this. The questioner has asked to share lesser known tips. Lesser known tips are many in Vastu Shastra. Lesser known tips are there in buying the plots. Lesser known tips are there in constructing the house, in sizing the rooms. There are so many things. Today, I will cover the important tips while buying a plot. We always do some mistakes. We are very casual and money conscious while selecting the plots or sites. We neglect the Vastu of the plots for the reason that the plots are cheap and have a good location, are easily accessible, with so many reasons. But we should know that we should be very, very cautious and vigilant in the selection of the plots. We should know that once you select a right plot, the Raja Yoga of constructing the house and living in that house, in that plot, begins. I will tell you some tips before selecting the plots. You can categorize the plots into almost 24 different types of shapes. Let us start with the regular shape. It is a rectangular plot. This rectangular plot is called Aida plots. This rectangular plot brings more fortunes and riches to the occupants, no doubt. But the length should be in the proper ratio of 2:1 to width. 40-20, 60-30, it should be like this. If the length is more than twice the width, the plots are not auspicious. This is the lesser known fact. Tips. Many people do not know about it. This is because there will be some imbalance of cosmic energy on the plot. Okay, square plots. If the four sides are equal length, it is called Chatustakona plots. Square. In English it is square. This is very good and best suited for any construction. These plots have the maximum magnetic and cosmic energy. These plots bring happiness, riches and health to the occupants. Third variety is triangular plots. Triangular plots are not at all suitable, they are very bad. This will bring a lot of miseries to the occupant. And there are some plots which are straight on the length side but curved on the width side. This is okay. I won't say it is rectangular, it is a round rectangular. This is not bad. But if the curve is convex outside or convex inside, both are okay. Then there are another plots which is like trapezium. Totally it should be avoided. Okay, in regular shape next comes circular. Plots are very good. Hexagonal, yes, hexagonal plots are there. I have seen in many places, but these plots are not good. This will ruin the happiness and fortunes of the occupants. Similarly, octagonal shaped plots or pentagon shaped plots, nothing is good. Similarly, there are some irregular shaped plots are there. One side length more and other side length less. These are to be avoided. So, the most important thing is while selecting the plot, you should be very, very careful and you should use your regular size plots. That is the tip I am giving on Vastu Shastra on the selection of plots. Thank you. Good day.